Welcome to my class. I present you the articles A and. Okay, my name is Maria Jose Julio. Here you have, the topic is names and occupations. Okay. Now, in that case, you need to observe these objects. For example, we have a bread and guitar. Okay. So you can put the names of these objects in the chat, please. Okay. Now we need to talk about the occupation. In this case, for example, this actor and is musician, maker, engineer, secretary, and painter. Okay. We have the articles. This is the definition. To write an article correctly, you have to identify if the first letter of the word starts with a consonant, the article will be A, and if it starts with a vowel, the article will be N. For example, in that case, we have apple, start with an. Sorry. Start with an because the apple start with a vowel. Okay. And in this case, we have a pineapple. Pineapple start with letter P. In that case, start with A. For example, article start with an because the start with vowel. Okay, in that case, in the word letter start with L. In that case, we need to put up. Okay. Now, there are more exercise with the occupation. For example, actor start with a is a vowel. Is the reason the article need to be an. Baker start with B. Need to start with the article a. Architect start with the vowel A. In that case, the article is an. And the secretary start with S. Is the reason that we need to put the article a. Okay. In that case, we have objects. For example, we need to create sentence. For example, an artist paints pictures. Now, you need to see, you can see in that case a and with the letter A. For example, we have other example is a singer sings songs created by himself. For example, a musician could be Adele, or in which country Gerardo Moral is a musician, okay? And in that case, singer start with C. There is a consonant, is the reason that they start with a, okay? A banker do the bread, in that case is an example. Is the reason that the article is A because start baker with the letter B. Please, if you have question, you need to write in the chat, please. And the result, please put the questions. Okay, I have the first one. Yeah. Yaneli said, can the plural be used with articles? No, because the articles represent the singular. Articles, you need to identify the first letter start in that case, and in this case you have a singular. You have one pineapple and one apple. In this case, you have an actor, one baker, and one secretary. Yeah, it's okay? You understand? Okay. The other question, please. Yeah. Fernando, you say, is the article with the word airport correct? It's not correct because airport start with the letter A. In that case, you need to put the an airport because an is for the words start with a vowel. Okay? Okay, the result. Thank you so much. If you have questions in Spanish, you can tell me. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a good night.